In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord link to TikTok. The process is simple, so before we begin, first make sure you're connected with the internet, and once you are connected with the internet, open up your Discord application. So now once you have opened up your Discord application, choose the server you want. So now by the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a three dots line. Click on it. Now once you click on it, it will bring you straight to this page. Once it brings you to this page, you can see the option that says invite friends. Click on it. So now what you need to do is to click on the share link option. Now copy your Discord link right here. So now once you are done copying it, go to your TikTok app. So now once your TikTok app opens, now by the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a mini profile option. Click on it. So now once you are here, you can see the option that says edit profile. Click on it. So now you will now see the option that says website right here. Click on it. So now paste in the link you copied on Discord. Then by the top right corner of your screen, you will see the option that says save. You click it to save it to TikTok. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.